Another train.
Well, not a woman. A lot of ones have other
Kansas City Southern.
aspiration, but yeah, that was a different mindset, you know. You know, when once
he's recording.
well, I haven't said anything. It doesn't matter, so. But that was a totally different mindset.
Number 4 travel 4B 27
That's a double diamond over there. That's a double diamond.
What's a double diamond?
It's where tracks. It's like a plus sign. It's tracks go that way, tracks go that way. It's like that.
Homeless village.
Hey, Josh, you get a minute, could you call Troy and see if about getting him a ride? I guess he's supposed to get a ride back in from Mercantile in the car or something. I don't know what the plan is.
So that train's waiting for that one to clear. For that one to clear.
Next station is downtown ITC Fort Worth Station.
It's not, I'm not joking.
La estación es la estación del centro ITC Fort Worth. Use downtown ITC Fort Worth Station for connections to Trinity Railway Express, Trinity Metro Downtown Bus Route, Molly the Trolley, Amtrak, and Greyhound. Utilice la estación del centro ITC Fort Worth para conexiones con el tren Trinity Railway Express, las rutas del centro por autobús de Trinity Metro, el trolebús Molly the Trolley, el tren Amtrak, y los autobuses interurbanos de Greyhound. Please reserve designated seats for seniors and persons with disabilities. Por favor, reserva los asientos designados para personas
Oh, they're working on
mayores
this track
y
down here.
personas con discapacidad. Now approaching downtown ITC Fort Worth Station. Llegando a la estación del centro ITC Fort
We didn't want
Worth.
to stand outside. It was just cold out.
We're eating a grapevine, so
Yes, sir.
after we come back from Terminal B. Or we can just probably get off and wait.
You are at downtown ITC
Well,
Fort
most
Worth
part,
Station.
all we're just gonna do
Esta
is
es la
just,
estación del centro
all we're just gonna do is go to
ITC
Terminal
Fort
B and
Worth.
come back to Grapevine. And they have a couple of houses. They got a couple of food places.
That's the bus, buddy. I had a cool bus driver when I was coming.